Okay, hello everyone. Okay, I usually don't make this kind of video, but I believe this is worth sharing. So recently, this is a ignition assembly from a Mercedes W124 chassis, and I recently wanted to replace the ignition tumbler because it was wearing out in this. And if your keys worn out and you can't turn it, and then therefore you can't replace the tumbler already, you have to replace the whole thing. Okay, so I got the part, and then the problem was trying to remove the old tumbler. You see, there's a spring here. This. So what you do is you insert a thick wire, okay, and basically you just insert it like that, and it will push down on this spring, okay. It's like that. Okay, push down this spring, and then you can slide it out. And seems simple enough. That see, I've been looking at all these tutorials. That's what they say, you know. And then there's this thing. Okay. So the whole time I thought this is the only thing that needs to be pressed down on to release the tumbler. But apparently I thought that you just you align it, and then you insert your wires, and then you feel like you have put pressure on the spring, you can pull it out. But no, this thing has its own lock, and this is what I mainly want to share, because all the tutorials online I've looked did not share this information. Aside from this spring right here, there is another one at the side here. You see, it's out slightly. Okay, I can press it in. That's how it locks this black cap on top. So you need to apply pressure on this with your wire, and then you need to apply pressure on this. This is why this tool is very important. Okay, it says 10 centimeters by 2 centimeters. Okay, it's very important. And all this, it took me 2 days to figure this out, but yeah, I just thought you needed to release one spring. So the reason why you need it to be that long, and you need two, I just thought you need one, just one side. I thought the other one I didn't quite understand the function of the other hole. As you can see, there's two. So once your wire passes the first spring, okay, this one, it goes down into the second spring here, and I press it, you see, it pulls in the other spring too. See, this is why it has to be angled also. So let me demonstrate. See, so it goes all the way in, therefore you can remove the black cap. That is why is it important to be long enough, and also the angle. And you need to insert two at the same time. Okay, you can insert one and then insert the other, but two must be in for you to remove this cap. I removed one spring, so one is on the other side. Okay, insert it here. Okay, so I'll just try to see if I can give you an inside view. Okay, so this is my wire. I wish I did better. I wish I knew better. So I thought I just could get away with just one. The whole time I just thought I could get away with just one thing. I just thought you had one spring, so I didn't make it as angled as it needed to be. I'm not mistaken, you need to make it be around like a 70 degree angle, something like that. So if you can see on the inside there, this, so come in at an angle like that, past the first spring, and then you press it down. You see, it will pull in that thing that locks the black cap in. So you do it for both sides, and therefore you can release this black cap. That is why that is why it is important you make the tool properly. You know. So I hope this helps you. So make sure don't make my mistake. So that I hope this tutorial helps anyone having a similar issue. Thanks for watching.